Hello, my friends. Welcome back to MTDCNC. It's always a pleasure to see you, even though I guess you're behind the camera and I'm in front of it. Anyway, I got Courtney with me today, and we are at FactoryWiz Monitoring. Now, Courtney cares. Not only does she care, but there's a saying within FactoryWiz Monitoring that is Courtney cares as a package. It's a whole, look, it's a whole thing,
it's
right?
It's a corner. It's Courtney's care corner.
It's Courtney. See, this is important to understand because a lot of us out there have either tried and removed or continue to try because we understand that machine monitoring is going to ultimately help our company better. It's the way of the now, it's the way of the future. It gives us insight that we think we might know, tribal knowledge, whatever it might be, but the real truth sits within FactoryWiz Monitoring, which gives us those insights to be more productive, efficient, and profitable, which is important. However, Courtney is here because service is of the utmost importance, and again, Courtney cares. So Courtney, thank you for being here. We appreciate you. Let's talk about the importance of service from your perspective.
Absolutely. So I actually come from the service industry of 15 years, right out of college, and I had a career change about 2 years ago, and came to my dad and said, "Dad, does your company need any help, just like part-time?" And he actually took me up on the offer, and here I am. And I came in and saw that there really wasn't any full customer support department, and I took it upon myself to really be that sole person in that department, and here I am, and I'm really happy.
Oh, I like hearing that. I can tell you're happy from your smile. I want to ask you, where does this caring come from? Because we live in an industry that makes everything around us in this world, as you're probably learning day by day by day. I mean, everything, right? And sometimes we get lost in technology and not enough people. Yeah. And we are people as well. So yes. Where does this caring come from for you?
I think it's innate, first of all, and second of all, it's just something I grew over the decades, and I'm really passionate about it. And you can't have a product without the people side, in my opinion. So we could sell you something all day long, but if you don't have a human on the other end of the line, whether that's your computer, your cell phone, whatever, chat, like, it doesn't really matter because you don't have the support, and I think that's really important.
Courtney, I agree with you completely, and a lot of what we do here at MTDCNC, I go home at night and I'm grateful that we were able to help someone. Do you have any personal stories since you've been working with FactoryWiz Monitoring of a phone call that you got where someone's either distressed or worried or just curious, and you were able to answer that question and go, by the end of the conversation, go, you know, I did a good job today. You know, I'm really grateful for this opportunity.
You know, I think because I'm so new in this industry and at this company that, like, I feel like every phone call I have is a win for me, which means it's a win for them. So even if someone is a little flustered or maybe they don't know their answer, and I don't either, I'm not gonna blow smoke up their ass. I'm gonna be honest, and I've already had some conversations here where I'm like, I have no idea what you just told me. I'm not really sure, but I'll find out for you, or let me walk you over here, or let me put you on hold. And, you know, as long as someone says thank you at the end of the phone call, then I've done my job. That's all I care about.
The perfect answer, not scripted at all, not prompted at all, the perfect answer, because everyone wants to feel like they're connected to you,
yeah.
Right? So by not picking someone, you've picked everyone, and that's a great way. Now, it would be remiss of me to not take this opportunity, this platform, this spotlight, this moment to address women in manufacturing in general, because even though we're trying to do the best we can to create representation across the board in all aspects, currently it is mostly male driven.
Yes.
So have you enjoyed yourself so far, and what do you think of the manufacturing world, and would you recommend other women come join you?
All of the above. Again, to be very honest, I was very apprehensive, one, coming into the industry, and honestly, coming here. Like, I knew the demographics, and I'm actually pleasantly surprised to see my fellow females. I'm, you know, not going to assume their gender, but, you know, we're here, and it's nice just to see some representation. Obviously, there can be more. I feel like as long as the workplace or the company is a safe, secure area, then absolutely I want to see more women in the business. But it starts from the top, middle, down to make it safe. So as long as we keep working towards that, then absolutely I want to see us here and powerful and know what we do and take no crap.
I like it.
Yeah.
Well, Courtney is my new hero, as she is a superhero here at FactoryWiz Monitoring. If you want to know more about FactoryWiz, visit FactoryWiz.com. You maybe even give Courtney a call, my buddy Rich, my buddy Tyler, totally up to you, but great company, can definitely improve what's going on in your current shop with everything efficient, productive, and profitable. Courtney, you claimed to be nervous. I will respectfully disagree with you because you nailed that interview. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And keep caring about others.
I will. Thank you.